If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Howdy guys, welcome back to Ford aficionado, back at it again. And today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a bad water pump on your vehicle. Now this is my dad's 2010 Ford Expedition. All original. 291,000 miles. Check this out. Alrighty, we're underneath the vehicle. As you can see, the belt's off of it because there's two issues here. After 291,000 miles, original water pump and original alternator. The pulley on the bearings in the alternator keep sticking, and it'll lock up and shred the belt. Well, here in the last couple of months, I've been noticing kind of a rattling noise. So what the hell could that be? So the other day when this thing broke down on my dad and left him on the side of the road, I went to go pick him up, and I went to go start putting the belt back on, and I grabbed the water pump pulley, which right there, and check this out. Get you up close. You can see all that play. Back and forth. Back and forth. A water pump should not have any play in it. 300,000 miles almost on the original water pump. Not bad. So I'm going to spend close to $200 on the brand new Ford alternator. And about $50 for the OEM Ford Motorcraft water pump. Get another 300,000 miles out of another one. So, you cannot complain about that. People out here, trading their vehicles in every 2 or 3 years. I want something else. I want something else. You're pissing your money down the toilet. Get you a good vehicle, stick with it, keep the maintenance up, and it will reward you. My dad has put 50,000 miles just about on his truck since he bought it used. About 4 years ago. I've done nothing to this truck but oil changes. I put one heater hose on it, an air filter, and a new set of tires. And like I said, changed the oil every 5,000 miles. And never had a problem. So, let's see if I can get up there and show you. It may be free right now. It might not be stuck right at this moment, but we'll see. Yep. Oh, nope, never mind. It's actually spinning right now. But you kind of hear that noise. Might be kind of hard to hear due to the bugs, but you can kind of hear the bearings making noise. Like I said, 300,000 miles, original alternator, original water pump. So I'm going to spend about $400, get the new alternator and the water pump, put them on with a new belt, $50 for a new belt. Bleed the cooling system, put some fresh coolant in it. I changed the thermostat, which sits right up there where that hose is. Changed it about 2 years ago. So, we're going to get this thing back on the road for my pops. This is a damn good truck. And he loves it. It's been to Virginia. It's been to, I think it's been down to Savannah and Augusta. They may have driven it down to Tampa, Florida a couple times. I can't remember, but this truck has been damn good. Rides like a Cadillac. And, yeah. We'll see y'all on the next one.